Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your membership status on the Sam's Club app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and check and see when your Sam's Club membership renews. How do you actually go ahead and check your membership status? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Sam's Club app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right hand corner. Afterwards, go ahead and click on Manage Memberships, located underneath Membership. And you can see here, this is where you can check your membership status. So for example, my membership is scheduled to renew on August 25th. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and check your membership status on the Sam's Club app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.